Good evening, folks. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to a tropical weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, April 12 to 14, 2021, and this English version is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. Beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday, we have an active low pressure area with tag ID 94W. It developed over the weekend as a low pressure area, and right now it's fast becoming a tropical cyclone and likely to become a tropical depression, the lowest classification of a tropical cyclone, within the next 6 to 24 hours. So it has increased to 65%, more than 65% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone. So we are going to focus on this system and monitor it for possible threat towards the Philippine Islands. But the good news is that it won't touch any landmass of the Philippines. That's the good news as of now, since the weather models continues to change every 6 to 12 hours. Let's hope and pray it will maintain its course towards the open waters to the east of the Philippine Islands. We are going to give you the latest model in a short while after we discussed the weather situation out in the Philippines. So right here over the Philippine Islands, we have the northeasterly surface trade winds affecting the Bicol Region, the eastern sections of Luzon, as well as summer provinces. So expect windy conditions, sunny to cloudy skies with some passing isolated rain showers or thunderstorms, particularly during the afternoon or evening, while the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain dry, hot, and sunny, with some chances of cloudy skies and isolated showers, particularly across Mindanao and portions of southern Visayas. Elsewhere within the PAR, we don't have any tropical cyclone development or LPAs except for this one outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, some 700 kilometers to the east of the Philippine area of responsibility. The Philippine area of responsibility is somewhere here. Let me check it out. It is located here. So it's quite a distance as of now. The distance from Mindanao is around about 1,000 kilometers away. So it's not yet a threat, but we are going to observe this in the coming days for possible changes in its forecast track. And as we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the development of this LPA in the past few hours and likely to become a tropical depression by tomorrow morning. And if we zoom in our satellite animation, this is from the windy.com UmetSat loop, and you can see here the development of the cloudiness or the circulation of LPA 94W. And if we look at the infrared, these are very heavy to intense thunderstorm activity generated by this LPA together with its trough. So this is the trough moving towards the west-northwest. So the trough or the extension of the LPA. So no need to worry as of now, since the forecast for the next 7 days is still below 30% probability. Here's the latest rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days for the Philippine Islands from windy.com, courtesy of the ECMWF model. Expect some showers and thunderstorms that is expected to occur across southern and southeastern Mindanao, and also some smaller areas of the Visayas, while the whole country will remain dry with some possible showers over the eastern seaboards of Luzon, including summer provinces. And here goes the tropical depression or the tropical storm, becoming a tropical depression and even into a tropical storm within the next 3 days until Wednesday or Thursday. And as we look at our rain and wind forecast for the next 48 hours, by tomorrow afternoon you could expect some showers here across Mindanao and southern Visayas, while some showers will also be expected across the Bicol Region, particularly those facing the Pacific coastline like Partido, Camarines Norte, Catanduanes, and the coastal areas of Albay and Sorsogon. And as we move into Wednesday, here comes the slow-moving tropical system It's already at this point as a tropical storm as it moves closer between Yap and Palau. The trough is affecting Palau but not yet affecting the Philippine Islands. You still expect some thunderstorms to occur across wider areas of Mindanao and some isolated areas of the Visayas, with showers still likely to occur over the eastern sections of the Bicol region. The rest will remain fair, hot and sunny with cloudy skies and lower chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Now let's take a look at our latest global models. This is from our website Typhoon 2000, updated every 12 hours. This is the latest from the 8 o'clock run, which is being issued at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So there's quite uncertainty on the track of this LPA. The forecast models are not yet completely blended based on the even the 24-hour, the 48 hours forecast is not yet combined or not yet blended. And if we look at the forecast for the next 5 to 7 days, is somewhat very large. Okay, large when it comes to the forecast tracks of all these computer models, and we still don't know where it will go. But take note, the forecast of 6 to 7 days is considered 30% and below. So that's a very uncertain track. So we still don't know where the system will go. So if we focus on the European model, okay, this is on Friday. It could enter the Philippine Air Responsibility. This is the power line, 135. So it could enter power on Friday, and on Sunday it will be to the east of the Bicol region, around 700 kilometers to the east, but it won't affect any part of the Philippine Islands, and it will start to recurve. So let me draw the track of the European model. So this is where it enters the power on Friday. Then on April 19, here, Monday, storm will be to the east of the Bicol region, but not affecting any part. So this is the European model. It will exit par on either Wednesday. Okay, and if we look at the American model, so we're just focusing here on the American models and the European models. These two are more reliable when it comes to the tracking. So the uncertainty is so large. So okay, so we still don't know where it could go, and the probability remains very low where it will track. So it's still early to say where it will really go, but we'll keep you updated in the coming days. This dark blue is the this one. That's the Canadian model, similar to the European model, while the US Navy is somewhat so far away, okay, from all of these computer models. So far, that's the latest from our Typhoon Global model. So no need to worry, just relax, and we will keep you updated in the coming days where the track will really go. By Friday or on Sunday or Saturday, we will we will clearly see where the tropical cyclone or the potential super typhoon will track. Based on the computer models, most of these two reliable ones, the ECMWF and the GFS, or the European or the American model, both of them agree that it could become a very strong or intense typhoon. The possibility of being a super typhoon or becoming a super typhoon will be present based on what we see on the wind forecast. Okay, so the good news is that there's no landfall that will occur over the Philippine Islands based on this forecast. But tomorrow on Wednesday, we'll keep you updated on what will be the latest forecast trend of these models. And let's hope and pray that all track will continue to point towards the north to northeast for curvature in the next 5 to 7 days. Okay, so we'll keep you updated. I'll be back either tomorrow or on Wednesday to give you a special update on this system via YouTube and Facebook. And watch out for our storm watch, which will begin tomorrow, Tuesday. Since the storm is outside the port, not a threat to our country, we will be releasing a storm watch update. Not yet the 12-hour or 6-hourly update, only 24-hour update. But rest assured, every day we are going to issue some YouTube videos and Facebook videos for your knowledge on this upcoming tropical cyclone. Okay, so this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.